Are you tired of typing the same email addresses over and over? Learn how to save contacts in Gmail in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click to add a new contact, fill in the details, and save it. Let's get started. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then, on the right sidebar, click the Contacts icon. It looks like a little person. Now, go ahead and click the Create Contact button. Fill in the contact's details, like their name, email, and phone number. Finally, click Save at the top to add the contact. And that's it. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.